So, hello everyone. My name is Algin Uba and I'm from Business 2C. So, in this video, we walk through a simple Python program that defines the maximum value in array. We'll break down the logic step by step and also analyze its time complexity. So, let's begin. So, we start with a less of number. So I have a array 37295. So initialize max value with the first element of the array. So mag-set tag initial max value. So we assume that the first element array is the largest and store it in max value. So enter it through the array from the second element to the last. So mag-enter it through the array. So we go through each number uh, in the array checking if it's greater than max value. So compare each element with max value. If element is greater than max value, update max value. So i-update to max value if needed. So if we find the number greater than max value, we update max value to that number. So otherwise, continue to the next element. After the loop ends the value stored in max value, it value is the maximum value in the array. So mag-print the maximum value at the end, we display the highest number found. So ito para ma-print makita tong ang highest value. So i-compare nato sa 7 greater than 3. So mag-update yun kay greater than 3 man. So ma-update yun nato ma-update nato. So max value niya is 7. So if the current element is greater than max value, we update max value. So compare those two less than 7. So no change kay less than man si 2. So no change, like gamay man si 2. Then compare ba to si 9 9 less than 9 less than 7. So update yun siya kay si 9 less than man. So ma-update yun max value 9. Then the final step, print the maximum value found. So kung compare nato si 5 with 9, so no change kay less than man si si 5, so no change kay di man greater than si 9, so way kabaguhan. So sige na ano kay time specific. The number of operation performed can be broke down as follows. So one operation to initialize max value. So in big only notation, we focus on the dominant term, the one that grows fastest as this increase, and ignore constant. The dominant term in 3 and plus 1, 3 and plus 1, 3 and plus 1 is 3n. But since constant don't matter in B and big, what's your big O? It simplifies to 0n. So one operation nato to initialize max value. So ang endpoint operation to iterate through the less. So n minus 1 comparisons inside the loop. So, one operation to print the result. So, ang total niya is only 1 plus n plus n plus n minus 1 plus 1 equal 3n plus 1. Ano siya, sir? So, that's all for this video. If you found this video, it will help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.